In this video, we're gonna create a picture-in-picture actions delegate and use it on our player fragment. So for do that, at the moment, we're gonna create a new package because this one is not gonna be part of main. This one can be used anywhere. So let's actually create here a new package. This package is I'm gonna call it PIP. You can call it as you like. And here on PIP, we're gonna create a new package, and this package, sorry, I can't create both together, but yeah, sorry. Delegates. So we're gonna call it delegates. So here on delegates, we're gonna create a new file, a new class. In this class, it's gonna call picture-in-picture actions delegate. Now we have our picture-in-picture actions delegate. To do this one, we need to include the player actions. Here on this project, we're gonna only include play and pause. You can feel free to add any action you like, but we're gonna include only play and pause. So let's start. So let's create an enum, which is gonna be a parcelable. Parcelize. Yep, parcelize. And this parcelize option, here we're gonna create enum class, and in this enum class it's gonna call it's gonna call player actions. Player actions. This one is gonna be parcelize. Parcelize. I think it's something parcelable. Yeah, parcelable. All right. Sorry, yeah, parcelable, and we're gonna put here play, pause. Cool. So yeah, we have now our enum with the two actions, play and pause. And now it's time. To create our receiver. Okay, the picture-in-picture action receiver is gonna be a broadcast receiver also. So broadcast. Class PIP. It's picture-in-picture actions receiver, which is gonna be extended from broadcast receiver. And here on this broadcast receiver, the first thing we wanna create two constants, and these two constants is gonna be constable. You're gonna wanna call this one, for example, controls action, and yeah, let's call controls action. Okay. And the next one is going to call it extra control actions, and we're gonna call it here extra control action. All right, so we now, after we have this, we need to include the member. This is going to be a receiver. Okay, so yeah, so it's not implemented yet. Let's call it this one to do implement on receiver. Yeah, okay. On receiver. Okay, this one. All right, so the reasons I removed the previous one on this one is because if we are going to test and it hits that to do it was a function and it will crash the application, and we don't want that. We just wanted to do to let us know we are actually need to coming back here and implement it ourselves. Okay, so now we have the broadcast receiver, and here on let's put it down. And here on down, we're gonna create an intent filter. Okay. So here in intent filter, it's gonna be an intent filter. And in this intent filter, we need to add an action. It's apply. So in here, we're gonna add action, and this action is gonna be controls action. So now we have this one, this mob, and this controls action here. Okay, so now we need to create two methods, one for register our receiver, and another to clear our receiver. Okay, so let's create first an instance val of picture-in-picture action receiver, and then it's gonna be picture-in-picture action receiver. So this is our instance, and then we wanna get function. This function is gonna call the register receiver, and here down we can create another one which is called fun clear receiver. Okay, so one is going to be to register and one will be to remove it. And here on the register we need a context. This delegate actually doesn't include a context, so when we actually create an instance of our delegation of our delegate, we need to include a context. So we're going to put private val context. Cool. So now here we can actually context dot register receiver, and here on register receiver we need to pass the picture-in-picture is the receiver, and here we need to include the intent filter. So here we can create the action receiver intent filter. So okay, but this one is practically everything we need to do for register or receiver. In order to create that method, we need to create now the one for clear the receiver. So it's going to be context dot unregistered receiver, and here we need to pass exactly the same picture-in-picture action receiver. That is all. Okay. Yeah. One of the things is I think this one can cause a crash. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just in case context become null or something. Okay. We don't want our application crash. Let's include this one. Let's include this one in a try catch event. Yeah. Let's pass a legal exemption, and here we can actually pass the log e, and we can pass it here the error, and this tag. Let's create const object, and let's create a tag private const val tag, and the tag we can add the name of our class. Okay. Cool. We have now our register receiver here. Okay, so this one actually we need to include it. Let's see, we have a warning here. What's going on? Oh yeah, because they say this one. Okay, just leave it as it is. So it's gonna be more clear for us in this one. This is the intent filter. So we need now to include our delegate. So to include our delegate, we can go to the top. On here, for example, we can create a private val picture-in-picture delegate by lazy, and here on the by lazy we're gonna create PIP action delegate, and we wanna require activity. So this is gonna be the activity is gonna be our context. And now we have declared it. We can come in down here on picture-in-picture, and what we can do is just register our receiver, and here down we can clear our receiver. Cool. So now when we enter in picture-in-picture, it's gonna register our receiver, and when we clear, we're gonna clear our receiver. So this one is perfect. The only thing is missing in this video to finish it is simple. First of all, let's clear. Yeah. First of all, let's clear that and the format. Let's clear that import, and using import, and let's format all. Yep. And let's see how it works. Let's put here to breakpoints, and we can actually run it in debug mode, and we're gonna see how that is invoked. Okay, we have an error here. Yeah, parcelize. All right. Okay, unresolved parcelize. Okay, I know what is the issue. Okay, I know what is the issue. The issue is the following one. Okay, if we go here, we have no include this parcelize. Yep, I think that's all. Yeah, I think that was all. Okay, guys, if there, for example, that parcelize doesn't work, just include this Kotlin parcelize, and everything's good work there. Okay, so we see how things. Yeah, big, cool. Okay, let's run it on debug mode, because I want to see, we actually invoke that and it doesn't crash, everything's going fine. Okay, so now we are in debug mode. It should run, yeah. Okay, so let's enter. Yeah, exactly. So now we enter in debug mode, so we register our receiver. And then when we go out from our debug mode, then, yeah, exactly, we clear our receiver. That is exactly what we are looking for. Okay, guys, so we're gonna call for this video. And in the next video, we're gonna start to include all the icons and make it work, to control also our player from there. Okay, guys, I see you in the next video.